Okay, come. Yes. Come. My hands are freezing. It's too rough. It's too rough. It's not going to come. Let's go. Let's go. That one is not too. It's not too smooth. You have to look. Where are you? So there's. Hey, turn around now. Come. Oh, be careful.
It almost was snowing our boots.
Okay, let's go. I'm this way. I realized all school buses were cancelled this morning.
Because how cold it was.
Because it's a storm. The snow, how bad the road is.
And it was a blizzard.
Yes, come.
The blizzard is why it was got cancelled.
Yes, and the road is not safe to be driving the school bus when the road is
So are you
full.
going to be walking?
No, I'm not walking. I drove. What is it?
We go walk.
You wish you could be walking. My hands are freezing. I know.
Cold is freezing.
You're wearing your mittens, unlike me.
Your hands is only fit that cold as pants.
Huh? My pants and my upper body is good, but my hands. Let's go. Hey, don't go that high before you fall. Come. Come, let's go. Come, let's go. Come down now. Let's go.